I went for a walk in this neighborhood a little while ago because here in the Midwest, that's just what you do. You go on family walks in a snowstorm. Anyway, during our walk, I saw something very interesting looking in a pile of junk next to a dumpster in an alley. And I just didn't have the guts to grab it at the time. There was people around, and even though it was clearly trash, I just didn't grab it. So jumped in the car, drove back down here, and I'm gonna walk over and see if it's still there, which I'm sure it is. It was covered in snow, but I saw just enough of it to be able to tell what it was. So let's go. Diamond in the rough. Here it is in all its glory. Coronado. It's not in terrible shape either. I mean, it's in terrible shape, obviously, but here's the plug. The motor also looks to be very rusty, but I can't really tell if it's rust or just if it's really dirty. Not sure. It'll be rusty after this, I think. I don't see any model information on it. I'm not sure how old it is. Looks like 60s, mid 60s or so, but not bad. Super heavy. Not bad for a blizzard trash find. Pretty cool.